Hey there, tax filers. Welcome to this quick guide on how to check your IRS refund status for 2025. If you're anxiously waiting for that money to hit your account, you're not alone. Millions of people rely on their refunds each year. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can track your refund with ease and avoid any unnecessary stress. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've already filed your taxes for 2025. If you haven't, head over to the IRS website or use a trusted tax preparation service. Once that's done, the key tool you'll need is the IRS's "Where's My Refund" feature. Start by opening your web browser and going to irs.gov. It's straightforward, no need for any fancy apps or downloads. On the homepage, look for the Tools section or search for "Where's My Refund" in the search bar. Click on it and you'll be taken to a secure page. Now, you'll need to enter some personal details to verify your identity. This includes your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, your filing status, like single, married filing jointly, or head of household, and the exact refund amount you claimed on your tax return. Double-check these for accuracy to avoid any errors. After submitting the information, the system will process it and display your refund status. You might see options like "Received," which means the IRS has your return; "Approved," indicating they're processing it; or "Sent," which is the best news. Your refund is on its way. Keep in mind that it can take a few days for updates, especially during peak tax season, so check back periodically. One important tip: if you encounter any issues, like an error message, don't panic. It could be due to a processing delay or an error in your entry. In that case, verify your tax return details or contact the IRS directly through their helpline. Remember, security is key, so only use the official IRS website to protect your personal information. There you have it. That's how you check your IRS refund status for 2025. By following these steps, you'll stay informed and possibly get that refund faster. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy refund hunting.